What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Come join my group build. Winter Beater 23 GB. That's hashtag Winter Beater 23 GB. Winter Beater group build. I'll put a link to the explanation of what makes a winter beater, etc. It's pretty simple. Any kit, as long as you can justify with a story that why it's a second car, winter car. It goes till December 1st. It already kind of kicked off, and this is the kit that I'm going to be using. You don't have to use this one. Again, I'll put a link in the description of explanation and rules, etc. Basically, any kit, justify, tell us how it's a winter beater, and let's see what you come up with. I've got again, this is my build, and I've got a couple changes that I'm throwing in it. I've got some wheels picked out and some other stuff to put in the bed, little extras and stuff. And it's cool. This kit's cool. It comes with I can't find it right now because it's all tossed in this box. It's got a snowboard and snow boots. So, but whatever. Again, you don't have to do this kit. It doesn't have to be, just have fun with it. Make a model. Hashtag Winter Beater 23 GB. Join in. Let's have some fun, and I'll do a little giveaway. You'll have to make sure that I have find my email, send me an email, and we'll talk. There will be prizes. Not sure what kind of tiers we're going to have, but theoretically, anybody that joins in, I'll send them something out, a little goodie. So, let's have fun. Let's see yours. Post it up. Hashtag Winter Beater 23 GB. That's it.